Hello lovelies, this is the herringbone stitch, also known as the Russian cross stitch or the fishnet stitch. Firstly, you need to draw 2 parallel lines and you're going to bring your needle up through the fabric at the start of that bottom line, and we're going to go down through the fabric on the top line. And what I've done is I've moved the thread into the position I want it to be, and then I'm going to go back down through the fabric below but slightly right of that top stitch. Try to keep your stitches spaced evenly and equal in length. As you can see, I've done a few practice lines underneath. This was me figuring out how far apart I wanted those stitches. The very best way to work out how far apart you want them is to lay that thread down on the fabric before you put your needle down through. That will give you a rough idea of where you're going with these stitches. One thing that might help keep you on track with this is if you always remember that you're going down into the fabric, but you're going to come up on that left of your entry points. And that works on the bottom as well. So you'll go in through the fabric and out on the left of it. That keeps them all regular. So you have cross diagonal stitches at the top and the bottom. You can use this for decorative straight edging or as a base for other stitches. It's all about tweaking it to get them the right distance apart. As you can see, the lower ones had a bit of trouble with that, but this top row seemed a little bit more even for me. I'm going to show you the back of the fabric now so that you can see what the stitching will look like on the reverse. The upside down V's are where I've put the needle underneath the stitches to finish off my stitch. But you should have 2 little lines a bit like that. So that's the herringbone stitch. Happy stitching!